MySL has a variety of features and functions for organizations to utilize. One of these tools is the event proposal. The event proposal has been designed for student life to assist you and your organization in the structured planning of the event process. Whether you're planning outreach, needing a room reservation, or planning a full-fledged conference, this application will assist you in having a successful event. The event proposal form will also be your one-stop form for all funding requests, promotional items, field trips, fundraising, and/or travel needs. That's right, we use the event proposal for everything. Now, where is it, you ask? Let's jump right in. If you haven't already done so, go to austincc.edu/MySL and log in. Once you are logged into MySL, you're going to want to select your organization from the My Memberships list, or you can also select the Organizations tab and scroll through the roster to find your organization. This takes you to the organization's homepage. On this next page, you're going to select the cog icon labeled Manage Organization in the top right-hand corner to take you to the Action Center. A new window will appear. The Action Center allows you to customize your organization's page and utilize various features like the Roster, Gallery, and Documents tab. All these featured along with the event proposal are located in the sidebar when you select the 3-line grid button in the top left corner of your organization's homepage. Select Events. Here, you will see all your event submissions, everything that is currently pending, approved, and denied. When you are ready to start the event proposal, click on the blue Create Event tab. When filling out the event proposal, please remember this form has been designed to serve as an all-encompassing form for all events. Tabling requests, meeting reservations, conference, promotional items, travel approval, and funding requests. So when filling out the questions in this event proposal, cater them specifically to that experience. A few reminders. Make the title about the event or experience. An example would be, instead of meeting, make it more detailed for those who will view it on the list of upcoming events. Something like Aerospace Club, Fall Meet and Greet, and First Meeting. This will give your audience and reviewers more information about the event proposal application. The description is where you're going to be specific as possible, so remember all the details and also double-check that grammar. If you are hosting a recurring meeting, this page will be where you utilize the Add Location or Add Another Date. Also, if you select an event category, choose the selections that are relevant to your application. For example, if you are based at the Pinnacle campus and hosting an organization meeting, select Pin and Meeting. The second page of the event proposal is specific to event marketing. This will give your event a presence on the list of events once approved. If you don't have anything to upload here, don't worry, there is an opportunity to add it later. If your event proposal is for promotional items, travel, or events that do not need to be marketed, please disregard this page. One important thing to note about the third page of the event proposal is that this page is conditionally set to request more information based on your selections. Since you are a student organization, this will be your first selection. For the second question, select the most relevant answer. If you don't see a selection, say for your organization ECAB shirt request, please select Meeting. Meeting is the default answer for all organization needs. After that, the rest of the questions are specific to your individual experience that your organization is creating. You will have to complete the follow-up questions for any selection that you stated yes for, and to explain the type of event for facility or AV needs, environmental health and safety compliance, and sustainability review. Once completed, select Next. This next page, the Holistic Engagement Model, provides student life more insight about the event proposal your organization is creating. This gives your event proposal meaning and learning outcomes. We want to see how you're connecting to the student body and growing as an organization. One thing to note that if you do not need any of the supporting items from the previous page, the form will allow you to submit it following this page. Please remember to hit Submit after reviewing your submission. These follow-up pages allow you to submit all subsequent information about your event proposal. For this page, that is going to be to the contact information for the event. This will be the contact that Student Life will be in touch with if we have any questions about the event planning process or follow-up. This slide will allow you to input all your facility needs. Make sure to be specific as possible. Expected attendance is relevant here. Make sure to specify if you want a classroom versus a conference room. Remember, each campus has varied facilities. It's good to have a backup plan in case your desired space is unavailable. For the film and viewing rights form, we just need to make sure what you're showing to your organization isn't under a copyright law. This form will help us work with you so your organization is staying compliant. If you are using funds, you will land on this page. Organization funding is one of the premier benefits to being recognized by Student Life. Please make sure to select the funding source that is relevant to your experience in this submission. ECAB funds are auxiliary funds that are available during the application window during the fall and spring semesters. Please make sure to confirm with Student Life what the maximum total is for your organization. This funding source is first come, first serve and will only be accepted if the event proposal received is complete. Please note that the area of study organization and social groups have different application maximums. Startup funds are available to every recognized organization on an annual basis. Make sure to check with Student Life to confirm the amount that is awarded to organizations this academic year. This money is good for their academic year, fall to spring, but does not roll over, so if you don't use it, you lose it. Following the selection of either funding source, you will be asked questions about the application. You will want to make sure you are prepared to answer the follow-up questions. For promotional items, please make sure to have your artwork approved and/or product quote prior to submitting the event proposal. Spot Frog and SRI Monogramming are the vendors that are pre-approved by Austin Community College. For any food items, we ask that you submit an itemized and complete shopping list with prices and quantities. This means we need to know the vendors and all items you are wanting. So, if you are requesting refreshments, please be specific. For example, 2 2-liter Sprites, 1 2-liter Diet Coke, and 1 12-pack root beer. For catering orders, please submit a quote and confirm the vendor will accept a tax-exempt status. In addition, check to make sure the food vendor has a health score of at least an 85 or higher, in whichever county the place of business is located. If you are submitting an invoice, please make sure you have spoken with the vendor and let them know that ACC has up to 30 days to pay a vendor once all paperwork has been submitted. All invoices that are submitted will also need the following paperwork submitted by the vendor. We will, of course, need the invoice, in addition to a payment of provider form. Have the vendor register on as an ACC vendor. Have them submit a W-9. This next slide is specifically for any invited guests or outside vendors that your organization is bringing to campus for an event. This includes any speakers or vendors coming to table on campus. We also want to know if you're working with any ACC vendors, say international programs or possibly an academic department that aligns with the organization's mission. This food request form has been specifically designed to assist if you're wishing to vet a food vendor to come on campus and cater for your event. This would then make sure that the food provider has the proper health scores and insurance for their employees, which is required by ACC Environmental Health and Safety Office. The best way to market any event is with attractive marketing. If you are needing marketing for your event, please make sure to complete the organization's meeting request form. This benefit for recognized organizations will allow you to create custom marketing to advertise your event on MySL and around the campuses. Once completed, the Student Life Communications team will contact you to follow up on your request to create whatever marketing needs you have. They can assist you with all your business cards, logo designs, posters, flyers, brochures, and overall organization branding. This is a great free resource for your organization. The final component of the event proposal and the event process is the event summary. This has been designed to assist you in the formal wrap-up for your event. In addition, organizations have the opportunity to nominate their events for Night in the Life, which is the Student Life Annual Recognition Ceremony. Organizations have specific awards that they are eligible to be nominated for. Prior to finalizing your submission, take this moment to review all the pages below to make sure you have submitted everything that is needed for your event proposal. Once completed, make sure to hit Submit at the bottom of the page. This allows us, Student Life, to know that you are planning an event, experience, or requesting funds. At that time, the reviewers will be assigned and you will be notified if there are follow-up questions prior to your event proposal approval. As always, please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can always email us at organizations@austincc.edu or sl@austincc.edu.